Hello, 7th standard. Let's do the revision of Unit 1, The World Around Us. Now, today's lecture is going to be a communicative lecture, right? I'm going to ask you questions and you have to answer those questions. Okay? Okay, so the first questions, right? Okay, so activity 2. Can anybody tell me what are the uses of water? You can write in the chat box and please do let me know what are the uses of water. What are the uses of water? Yes, for washing, cooking, drinking, for planting trees. Very good, very good. For bathing. It is not for bath, it is bathing. Okay, for bathing. Okay, the next question. How does water help in our body temperature? You have to read the paragraph and please do let me know. I'm talking about how does water help in our body temperature? Yes, wait, Devyen. Yes, water maintains a body temperature at 36.8. Okay, yes. It keeps our body temperature at 36.8 degrees Celsius. Right? Which are the other ways? Which are the other ways which tell us that water is essential for our body? Water is essential for human beings. How can you say that water is essential for human beings? Yes, 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 Ansh. It forms a part of our body. It forms a part of our body. It forms a part of our blood. Yes. What else? Yes, it helps to carry oxygen. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes, it cleans our body. Then it removes waste material. Very good. Very good. It removes waste material. Very good from our body. It carries oxygen to our blood. Very good. Okay, next. Next. How does water help in agriculture? How does water help in agriculture? How does water help in agriculture? Yes, in human beings, somebody has written this answer also. The person can survive without food for 30 days, but without water, less than a week. Yes, in agriculture, it helps in growing crops. Yes. Yes, Kankshit. Yes, Devain. Yes, Wade. I'm talking about the agriculture. I'm talking about the agriculture. I want more answers. I want more answers. Okay, okay. Next. How is water helpful for animals and plants? How is water helpful for animals and plants? Yes, for agriculture, Kankshit has written water is also useful for irrigation. Okay. The next question is, how is water useful for animals and plants? Yes, plants use water for photosynthesis. Cannot do photosynthesis without water. Yes, Divyan. Yes, Kankshit. Plants take water to grow. Ansh, yes. How the creature live underwater. Water is useful for animals in drinking water. I want everybody to answer. Very good, good responses. Niti, it is not it is plants also need water to grow. Water is main source to live. If it is animals, plants, or humans, okay, Kartavya. You can also uh, tell me how is water useful for industries and power production? How is water useful for industry and power production? How is water useful for industry and power production? Water is essential for generating hydroelectricity. Very good. Then water is used to generate electricity and it's called hydroelectricity. Yes, yes, Ved, yes, Kankshit. Yes, Ansh, warm water is used to generate electricity. पर वो थोड़ी spelling mistake हो गई. Yes, Devyen, hydroelectricity components in power production. Yes, heat. Anushka, generating electricity. Yes. Okay, great, great. Shreyas. Shreyas, I've already sent the on WhatsApp. The previous lecture video has already been sent. Almost all industrial units use water either in the production or disposal of byproducts. Okay. And 7th standard, please revise this activity 3 also for your exam. Match the columns. Okay. Okay. Now let us move towards activity 4. Now in this activity 4, suppose in exam you get a few sentences or few statements and you have to write whether we should do these things or we should not do these things, right? And this activity 4, use matlab, we have to do it, right? ये हमने solve किया था last time, right? This we had already solved last time. Yes, activity 4. Use only as much as water as you require. We should do it or we should not do it. This sentence should come in the category of do's or don'ts. Do me. Yes, very good. Do me. Yes. Then uh, wash your vehicles in the rivers or ponds. Wash your vehicles in the rivers or ponds. Don'ts may. Okay, okay. So in this way, you might get questions in the exam. Okay, you might get few statements, and looking at the statement, after reading the statement, you have to decide in which columns it should be kept, the appropriate columns in which should be kept, that is in do's or don'ts. Okay, then next is this revision. Activity 6. Okay, activity 6. What is electricity? What is electricity? What is electricity? What is electricity? Yes, Kankshit, very good. Kartavya, very good. Spelling mistake हो गया थोड़ा. Electricity is a source of energy. Yes, Jatin, very good. Devin, very good. Electricity is a source of energy. Can you mention different sources of energy? Can you mention different sources of energy? No, here. My question was, what is electricity? How electricity is used? No. My question was, what is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy. Okay. Now the next question is, write different sources of energy. Write different sources of energy. Yes, you do not have to write the names. First, I want different sources I am asking. I'm not asking the examples of those sources. I'm asking. Yes, Devyani. Devyani is right. Yes. She has mentioned two sources of energy, non-renewable sources and renewable sources. Yes, Devyani, good. She has mentioned two sources, right? Non-renewable sources and renewable sources. Yes, Anushka Sawan. Yes. Okay. Can somebody give me the examples? Can somebody give me the examples of non-renewable sources and renewable sources? Please write the examples of non-renewable sources and renewable sources. I just want the examples. But you have to mention, Jatin, you have to mention whether this is renewable source or non-renewable source. Write the examples of non-renewable sources and renewable sources. Uh, yes, they entered the class late, but when I took the attendance day, that time you were not there. So please make sure that from tomorrow you join the class early. Yes, but your answer is right. There are four major types of languages. Yes, Heer, right. Devyani, right. Ansh, right. Anushka Sawant, right. Kangshit, right. Ved, right. Heer Patel, right. Soumya, right. Kartavya, right. Devyen, Shreyash, right. Okay. Yes, renewable sources. Yes, wind energy, solar energy. Okay, great, great. Yes, Devyen. Yes, Anushka. Okay, great, great. That means you people know what is renewable sources and what is non-renewable sources. Yes, Kangshit. Okay. Okay, can anybody tell me which are the two major disadvantages of non-renewable energy? The two major disadvantages of non-renewable energy. We had discussed in our lecture also this. Which are two major disadvantages of non-renewable energy? What is this, Divyan? Many of you have answered, but the formation and ठीक है concept समझ में आ गया है फिर भी I'll just let you know. Yes, non-renewable sources will end one day. This is the major disadvantage. And second disadvantage is that non-renewable sources of energy also pollute the environment. Okay. Okay. Who can tell me what is the meaning of renewable source? What is the meaning of renewable sources and what is the meaning of non-renewable sources? Define renewable sources and define non-renewable sources. मतलब क्या है उसका? Define definition. Endless, non-renewable. Yes, Ansh. Okay, okay. Renewable, renewable, and non-renewable. Renewable sources are the sources which we can reuse, regenerate कर सकते हैं हम. Renewable, regenerate कर सकते हैं. Ansh, that is wrong. And non-renewable resources हैं once used cannot be reused. Okay. Okay, next. सपोज आपको एग्जाम में जो है आ सकता है कि ड्रॉ अ डायग्राम ऑफ द डैम and write in detail how a dam is constructed, the steps in production of hydroelectricity. Okay, so ये activity 7 आपको करनी है. Or you might get few MCQs or fill-ups also from activity 7, right? Yeah, like write the steps in production of hydroelectricity with the diagram explain. ये आपको आ सकता है एग्जाम में. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट जो है ये वर्ल्ड विदाउट चॉकलेट, राइट, इन एक्टिविटी 9. ओके. हाउ इज चॉकलेट मेड? चॉकलेट्स आर मेड. हाउ इज चॉकलेट मेड? क्विक 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 क्विक. Yes, cocoa. Yes. Chocolates are made from Cocoa. Yes. Where does cocoa grow? Where does cocoa grow? Where does cocoa grow? In South America. Okay. Which trees? On which tree? The question is, where does cocoa grow? You should write on which trees. Say लेकर, where it is cultivated. कोको ट्री नहीं है, वो कोको ट्री नहीं है, देखो काको ट्री है. यस, cocoa grows on kako tree that are cultivated in the forest of South America. Yes, yes, very good. What is the meaning of biodiversity? What is the meaning of biodiversity? What is the meaning of biodiversity? No, wait, no. You have to write what is the meaning of biodiversity. You have to write it properly. You're writing for the exam, you have to write, right? How will you write? Biodiversity means, biodiversity means, bio means life, diversity means variety or variation, right? Therefore, it is said biodiversity is the variety of life around us. Okay. If the question comes, what is biodiversity? Bio means life, diversity means variety or variation. Therefore, it is said biodiversity is a variety of life around us. Yes, they. Okay, which plantations are at risk today? Which plantation are at risk today? Yes, Kartavya. Yes, wait. Yes. Now, the next question, which plantations are at risk today? Which plantations are at risk today? Read the paragraph, you'll get the answers. Cocoa and other plants. Okay, impact production yields and quality. No, I just asked a very simple question. Which plantations are at risk today? Yes, cocoa and other plants. Okay, fine. ठीक है. Okay, can you mention the other things that what do we get from the plants? What do we get from the plants? What do we get from the plants and animals? No, Kangshit. यहाँ पर मेंशन किया हुआ है, रीड द पैराग्राफ, रीड द पैराग्राफ। देखो इधर लिखा हुआ है, द राइस वी ईट, द क्लोथ्स वी वेयर, द रबर टायर वी ड्राइव ऑन, ऑल ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स, है ना? यस देयर, एक और भी क्वेश्चन यहाँ पर बनता है, मैं यहाँ पर एक लाइन दी हुई है, मेनी ऑफ दीज स्पीशीज आर अंडर सिवियर थ्रेट ऑफ एक्सटिंक्शन। इट मीन्स इट्स लूजिंग डाइवर्स बायोडाइवर्सिटी, लूजिंग बायोडाइवर्सिटी यानी खत्म हो रहा है, डिसअपियर हो रहा है। ये सारी जो स्पीशीज जो हैं ये क्या हो रही हैं, डिसअपियर हो रही हैं, है ना? बिकॉज मैनी स्पीशीज आर डिसअपियरिंग, एक्सटिंक्ट हो रही हैं, उसके कारण हमारी बायोडाइवर्सिटी जो है, वी आर लूजिंग बायोडाइवर्सिटी, राइट? ओके ओके ओके, दैट मीन्स आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया है, वेरी गुड।